This is a 2013 BMW 550i. It's got the twin turbo V8 in it. We're going to open it all up, make it nice and loud. The customer wants to wake up the dead and then some. We're going to delete the rear mufflers. Just want to show you a little before and after here. They're going to leave the factory tips on there with the active exhaust valve. We're going to delete the mid muffler and resonators, put a X pipe in there. Doesn't want anything to restrict it or keep it quiet at all. He wants to open it wide open. We'll get back to you here. Okay, so it looks a little different now. You can see that we have removed the rear mufflers. Did a nice custom Y pipe there. So both outlets of the tip there both work. Left the active exhaust valve in place. It's really tight. Used all the factory mounts, nice and clean. Even put the ground straps back on there. Remove the mid muffler and resonators there. Put a nice true X pipe in there. It's gonna really wake this thing up. Let's see what it sounds like. Hear those turbos pulling up. All right, well, that should be what the customer's looking for. Put it in sport mode, Sport X I think they call it. It sounds a lot better. It opens up the active exhaust valve, so that all still works.